A very warm welcome to ksgindia.com. Committee on Energy Modeling. The government set up an interministerial committee under Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant to spearhead research and study on energy modeling in India. The committee will consist of top representatives from the Petroleum and Natural Gas Ministry, Power Ministry, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Coal Ministry, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and Department of Science and Technology. This committee, along with a steering committee, will serve the India Energy Modeling Forum, that is IEMF, jointly launched by Niti Aayog and United States Agency for International Development in July this year under the US-India Strategic Energy Partnership. The Interministerial Committee will review the studies, modeling activities, and provide directions and new areas of research. As part of the Sustainable Growth Pillar of the US India Strategic Energy Partnership SEP, IEMF aims to engage India researchers, knowledge partners, think tanks, and national and international government agencies and departments for modeling and long term energy planning. The steering committee will comprise government representatives, industry associations, academia, and policy research organizations, think tanks, and funding agencies. This steering committee will shortlist policy issues to be taken up for study and might form various task forces depending on the specific studies and modeling exercises to be carried out. The convener of this committee will be selected on a rotational basis for 2 years and will act as the interface between the interministerial and steering committees and the working groups and task forces. Prayas Pune will be the first convener of the steering committee. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching ksgindia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos.